Today I'm at the Zook Cabins display village in Gap, Pennsylvania, and this is the Yukon. Boy, that was a dramatic pause. What we're looking at here is a 296 square foot park model. It's got dimensions of 12 feet wide by 29 feet long, and it's got a 4 by 12 foot covered porch on the front. The look is brought to you by a weathered cypress, and I think it looks awesome. So yeah, let's take a quick look around and then we'll duck inside and check out the Yukon. All right, I'm gonna kick this off way back here because apparently Zook has started building saunas. If you didn't know, now you know. All right, let's check out the Yukon. Again, this is 296 square feet, and this look is about as cottage as you get. If you notice on the side, they've got the weathered cypress for pretty much everything. The siding, the trim, the soffits, it's all weathered cypress. All right, I'm going down over the fence. We're gonna get a full look into this thing. I haven't actually been inside yet because right now it's locked and I haven't unlocked it, but we will get there. What we're looking at on this end, I believe that is the living room in the back, possibly the bedroom. The kitchenette, you know what, let's just do the outside for now. This has a metal roof on it, and as we come around this side, you will see that they've got a sliding glass door. Oh, okay, that's interesting. They've got a little bit of a, I don't even know what you call that, but on the roof line, it kind of sticks out right at the peak. Kind of juts out right there. This is a terrible angle with the sun. Hang on. There we go. Kind of sticks out a little bit further, 2 feet up from the side, and it just gives it a little extra something something. So they got 2 exterior lights, one on either side of the sliding glass door, and as we come around this side, this appears to be into the bathroom just because of its height and where it's located. So that kind of gives us a bit of an idea of what this layout is going to be like. Again, you've got the covered section on the front. That's 4 feet deep by 12 feet long. Yeah, I think it's time. Let's go inside and check out, oh, hang on. Built-in bench. They've got a couple built-ins on this covered porch right here. So you got somewhere to put on your shoes right there. And if you've got maybe any sports equipment, skis, snowboard, stuff like that, depending on where it's going, that is a place you could put it right there as well. All right, now let's head in. Heading in the front door, another spot right there to put on shoes. And behind it appears they've got the Luna wood interior, something that I have seen quite a bit on my tours around Zook Cabins. So we've got the shiplap right here. We've got a luxury vinyl plank floor running front to back. And now that I'm looking at it, this layout isn't anything that I thought it was going to be. I was right about one thing, so that's a plus. The first space on the left is the bathroom. So as I come inside, we'll see the vanity right there. More of the Luna wood inside this home. That's a Finnish spruce. They actually import it all the way from Finland. So if you want to get the cottage look like that, that is definitely one way to do it. So coming around this way, got the walk-in shower with the glass door, and they've got the light strip at the very top there, which I think just kind of adds to the ambiance a little bit. Let's continue. Heading back out, this window is directly across from the kitchenette, so I was wrong on that one. What we've got here is more of the Luna wood, this time only in black. We've got a shelf up above the countertop. That's where they've got the bowls. They've got the microwave over here, and if I come down to the countertop, you've got more light strip underneath the shelf. And this is a spot where they've got the coffee maker. You could put whatever you want there. A little bit of prep space beside the sink. A black sink, matching black faucet against the gray countertop. I like the look. It's pretty chic if you ask me. Let's have a look at what's underneath. Yep, as predicted, we have got the typical under sink, wide open cabinet, perfect for storage. Beside that, they've got a bar size fridge or apartment size, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't have the freezer section, so if that's something you're looking for, an adjustment that can definitely be made. They've got roll shades on each of the windows, which are great. And as we head into this section, we're going to look up at how they're achieving even more of a cottage look. I believe this ceiling is oak, but I'm gonna have to verify that. So coming into this section, the Yukon is the younger sibling of the Denali, which I have already toured, and it is likely already on the channel, but it is designed for hospitality or a weekend retreat. As I mentioned, it is a park model. So they've got a king bed right here in the living room. And as I head down the other side, you will see the sliding glass door from the inside. Already saw it from the outside, but there you have it. In the corner here, they've got a chair, a window on either side of the fireplace, which I'll get to in just a second. But I'm gonna back up this way so we can really get a look at this living space. So they've got wall-mounted lights on either side of what appears to be a king bed, and they do have a bit of open storage over on the other side, right beside the mini split. They've got built-in pot lights centered between those wood beams. That looks awesome. Now, if you want to get a cottage look, I don't know anyone that's doing it quite like Zook Cabins. They've got it figured out. So they've got the 50-inch electric fireplace there. They've got the faux rock work behind it, and the TV is mounted right up on there. So let's check out the storage, because in a space like this, 296 square feet, storage becomes important. And they do have some right here for your things. So place to hang. All right, you can hang some clothes there. A shelf up above. They've got these baskets to kind of separate. Those are going to be added after the fact. I'm not thinking those come with the home. It's part of the staging. They've got these long pillows. Those would be removed, and then you've got all that space to put whatever it is you want to put there. Down below the bench, a little bit of an open space there for shoes, or really, you name it. You tell me, what do you want to put there? Go right ahead. So let's take a quick look around in this space. Picture this in the mountains or maybe a meadow. You're coming to stay. Just get out of town. Enjoy a couple nights away. What better place to do it than the Yukon? I like it. There you have it, folks. The Yukon from Zook Cabins. It's a 296 square foot park model that is decked from head to toe in that weathered cypress, giving it a cottage look. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.